Okay, we're gonna prove you wrong because Amber can sneeze with her eyes open.
That's right. I can sneeze with my eyes open. I just have to get a sneeze, and it takes a while. So, yeah, I'm sorry that it takes this long, but it does. I just did it, and I was so mad because we didn't have the camera on. Alright, so... Is that up high now?
No.
Is it now?
Yeah.
Alright. We only have a few minutes to do this, I guess.
Ow. You only have 30.
Like, only a few.
Tuesday, Dr. Dawn faces a controversial decision when she takes one last shot at getting pregnant again. Don't miss an all-new Deliverance, Tuesday at 10 on Discovery Home.
We're gonna watch the original.
I did it. Thanks for watching.